long black train coming down the line, feeding all souls that are lost and crying. Rails of sin, only evil remains. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. You can look to the heavens, you can look to the sky, and you can find redemption staring back into your eyes. And there is protection and there's peace the same. Burning your ticket for that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. And cling to the Father and His holy name. And don't go riding on that long black train. On that long black train, making you wonder if the ride is worth the pain. He's just waiting on your heart to say, let me ride on that long black train. But there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. I can hear the whistle from a mile away. It sounds so good, but I must stay away. That train is a view, making everybody stare. But its only destination is the middle of nowhere. But there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. And I say, cling to the Father in His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. Yeah, watch out, brother, for that long black train. 'Cause that devil's a driver.